Good morning, everyone. This should be Monday morning when you're watching this, but hopefully you're just watching it sometime on Monday. This is the AP United States History week plan for week 5, September 14th through 18th. Okay, before we begin, don't forget that before you come to class this week, that you need to be studying for the Units 1 and 2 exam. Remember, that's chapters 1, 2, and 3. Chapter 1 is on Native Americans before the discovery of the New World by Columbus and Europeans. Chapter 2 is going to be European colonization, and then Chapter 3 is going to be colonial society in the 13 British colonies. And also in Chapter 2, you have the establishment of the 13 colonies. So chapters 1, 2, and 3 is what you need to study. When you study for the exam, of course, you need to study your notes. Hopefully you took good notes, but really make sure that you study those key term cards. I don't think a lot of you have been studying your key term cards. So go through chapters 1, 2, and 3. I think it should be blue, yellow, and green. Those are the key term cards that apply to this unit. Many of you have done review charts. Hopefully you've done a good job. Use those review charts. And then on the review guide, I have only had a couple of you that said that you have not been able to open it. If you cannot open it, the tech people are telling me this is a browser issue most likely, and that if you are trying to use Safari, for example, it's just for some reason it's not working very well, or Internet Explorer. So I have been told that Firefox is the best. So please, if you don't have Firefox, download Firefox. Try to open it with Firefox. And if not, Google Chrome is a second best option. But again, try Firefox first. Okay, in class this week, you know that you're going to be, most of the time, you're going to be taking the test. We'll start with the multiple choice. You will be taking the test for 55 minutes. So 55 questions, 55 minutes, 1 minute per question. Then we will finish the class doing the long essay question. We're going to start this together. We're going to go over kind of how to do this. I will also post this week like the directions if you kind of get stuck on your own on how to do the long essay question. To me, it's, of our essays, it's probably the easiest, maybe that in the SAQ. So we will start this in class, and then you'll be expected to finish on your own, and then you'll just hand it in the following week. Okay, after the test, you really need to be diligent this week. I've got a lot of work that you need to take care of because we're taking the test in class. So that means we're missing a class period where we could be covering material. So let me go through the homework here. First of all, you need to finish your LEQ. We already talked about that, but then you need to read all of Chapter 4. Now, Chapter 4 is a fairly short chapter, so just don't wait till the end of the week to read it. Try to get it done as soon as you can. Okay, then kind of going in order, the first topic that you're going to do is you're going to watch a video lecture for the French and Indian War and kind of things that led up to it and some of the impacts of the French and Indian War. And then after that, that will kind of chronologically, that will take you to the causes of the Revolutionary War graphic organizer. Again, I will get this posted at some point during the week, and if you want to get a head start on it, I probably should have it, posted by Monday or Tuesday, and you can get going on it. And then the last video lecture that I need you guys to watch is going to be on the American Revolution itself, the war in particular. And I will probably wait to post this after class on Friday. So this will be available probably by the end of Friday or the weekend. But, all the other stuff, try to get it done after you finish. You feel like you've studied for the test, you feel like you're ready to go for the test, then you can kind of start on the stuff in Chapter 4. But again, make the test your first priority. Okay, that should be it. If you guys have any questions, you can always email me at kbailey9@cherrycreekschools.org, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. All right, this video presentation is taking place of our meeting time today, so we will not be meeting today. But if you do need to meet with me, please email me, and we'll set up something on Microsoft Teams If we can cover by email, great. But if you need to meet with me and see me synchronously, obviously the answer is yes. All right. Have a good week. We'll talk to you later. Goodbye.